Dictation at the speed of 100 words per minute. Last 5 seconds. Ready. Start. It is therefore inescapable that the government is now laying great emphasis on the development of backward and rural areas. I know that no single program of development in isolation can remove the backwardness of these areas. Rather, it requires a coordinated approach by the government and the people. It would be necessary that the agencies which are concerned with the development of small scale industries lay more and more emphasis on fostering growth and industrial units in backward areas. You are all well aware that the number of incentives have been announced by the government for developing small scale industries in the backward as well as the rural areas. I would suggest to you Federation to consider it as their most important fiction for some time to come to work in these backward areas by encouraging the local population to set up manufacturing enterprises. I am glad to learn that certain beginning has already been made in this direction too by your federation. There is no dearth of local raw materials and skill. If at all there is dearth of anything, that is only guidance to these people as to how they could utilize their local resources in the field of manufacturing activities. I am told that the Development Commissioner of Small Scale Industries has been organizing intensive campaigns for development of small scale industries, and quite impressive results have been obtained through this program. To my mind, these intensive campaigns constitute a very effective and pragmatic approach for taking the message of industrialization to the very doorsteps of potential entrepreneurs dispersed all over the country. They are apprised of the vast industrial opportunities existing in the country and the help available to them from various institutions and agencies. Through an intensive campaign, all the agencies concerned with the development of small industries are act together on the spot, whereby a prospective entrepreneur is saved of considerable time and labor which he would have otherwise spent in going from one department to another. I should therefore suggest to the Federation to hold such campaigns with the help and cooperation of governmental agencies in backward and rural areas, as these campaigns would give the necessary guidance and assistance to the people in the establishment of small scale units. In this context, I welcome the move of the Government of India to select about 30 pilot areas for intensive development of small scale industries to act as model centers for developing small scale industries in different states during the fifth 5 year plan. Experience of small scale industries development in the developed countries have revealed that ancillary relationship between large and small scale units. Stop.